Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine. So last class I completed few mathematical methods. Now in this class also few mathematical methods I'll complete. So the first mathematical method, note down, log. So you are all aware of logarithm function. This method is used to find out the natural logarithm of a given number. Natural logarithm of a given value. So here also few cases are there. Practically I'll execute once. So first note down, if the given argument is positive value, if the given argument is positive value, then it returns natural logarithm. Natural logarithm value. If the given argument is negative value, then it returns not a number. That means like this, not a number. If the given argument is not a number, then it returns not a number only. If the given argument is positive infinity, then it returns positive infinity only. If the given argument is zero, then it returns negative infinity. So once note down BlueJ, once open your BlueJ, practically I'll execute. Take the new class as log example. So type the class name, main method, then take one value, double value, double A is equal to positive number. First we will go with positive number. Math dot m capital letter log of A. Close main, close class, compare, no syntax errors. If the given argument is a positive value, then it will return natural logarithm of a given value. So that is the first case. See 0.0, log 1 0.0. So for example, if the given argument is negative value, -2 for example, see the output. If the given argument is negative, then it prints not a number. Next, if the given argument is not a number, if the given argument is not a number, then in that case also it will print not a number only. See, not a number. If the given argument is positive infinity, if the given argument is positive infinity, then in this case it will print positive infinity only. See the output, infinity. If the given argument is 0, if the given argument is 0, important this one, if the given argument is 0, then what is the output? See, negative infinity, negative infinity. This is the output. So these are the different cases in log function. Now the next method is exponent. Next method is exponent. See, hope all of you understood log function, exponent. This method is used to find out the Euler's number. Find out the Euler's number E raised to the power of a double value. Given double value. Raised to the power of given double value. See, E stands for their Euler's number. E stands for Euler's number. Its value approximately, E value approximately equal to 2.718 something. Its value approximately equal to 2.718. In this one also few cases are there. See, first one note down. If the given argument is positive or negative number, if the given argument is positive or negative value, then it will returns output. Then it will returns output. Next, if the given argument is not a number, if the given argument is not a number, then it returns not a number only. If the given argument is 0, then it returns 1. Then it returns 1. If the given argument is positive infinity, if the given argument is positive infinity, then it returns positive infinity only. Positive infinity. So these are the different cases in EXP function. So open your BlueJ once, practically I'll execute. So take the new class, EXP example. Public class, EXP example, main method. So take the double value, double A is equal to 1. Positive or negative, it will print. System.out.println math.exp of A. So close main, close class. So positive or negative value, it will print the output. So actually E approximately equal to 2.718. See, 2.718 in this case. For example, if it is a negative value, minus 3. Minus 3 raised to the power of the given value. E raised to the power of double value. See, 0.04 something. Next, if the given argument is not a number, then it will return not a number only. See, if the given argument is 0, then it will returns 1. That means 1.0. If the given argument is positive infinity, then it will return infinity. So these are the different cases in exponent function. So in the next class, I will continue with the remaining methods. Thank you.